So guys, today is the end of May. So we pray that God bless you all. Yeah, may God protect you all. For all those that have been with us all along, may God reward you. You know, words are inadequate to express how we feel about you guys. But thank you guys so much for your promotion. You really been promoting Brother Sharif. You know, for every upload, you sit in your corner there, you watch it, you watch the video. You know, not only watching the video, but some of you call me. You know, most very during the period of tears. You know, I was in Guinea yesterday. People keep calling, you know, sympathizing with me and the family. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Only God will reward you guys for that. This is one of the art center, right? Wow, see? Man painting. How are you? How you doing? I love your design, man. I love how you doing it. Yeah, thank you so much, man. Oh, this is orange, right?
No, this is Blue Star.
Oh, this is Blue Star MTN, right?
Yeah, MTN.
And this is orange, right?
Orange.
Wow. Guys, he's a young artist, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you introduce yourself to my audience?
I'm Isaac K. Chuma, trying to be an artist.
From where?
River County, from Chama City.
Okay, good. Guys, he's a young artist, so he's trying to come out. Shout out to you, man. Thank you, yeah? Keep up. Okay. Yeah, guys. But sometime maybe I'll put my YouTube, I'll let you put my share. See learn work. Yeah. This is that. Wow. Look how beautiful this is. Very nice. Who did this drawing? Are you? You did this drawing? The boss man. Wow, this is unique. Wow. Oh, you want to see? No. Right now, the camera is working right now, so I'm going to find food right here. I think they got a good restaurant right here, right?
Okay, yeah.
So I'm going to go eat. So when I finish eating, wow. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. Keep on. Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to know more about me, follow me on YouTube.
YouTube, what
Yeah, Brother Sharif on YouTube. When you go on YouTube, when you check Brother Sharif, you'll see many videos from me. Many videos. Okay. Yeah.
I'll find out. I want to see all that video.
No problem. You see yourself there, yeah?
Okay, I want to see myself.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah? Okay then. Alright guys, so that's one of the center, you know. So this is commercial area, right? Wow. Guys, that's a restaurant we're going to in the corner right here. Down there. So this is a restaurant, right? Wow. Guys, just stay tuned. The only soup I'm going to ask for that tobogi. If you don't have tobogi, that will not you. Alright. Guys, I want to eat tobogi from Komasa restaurant. Get here in the Komasa. Komasa Jara, right? Guys, get here in Komasa. So we're eating right here. I'm going to ask for tobogi. When you don't have tobogi, I will not eat. I will not eat. How are you? How are you doing? How are you? Not bad. You get food? Eh? Beef tobogi? Guys, that's the soup I want to hear. What is soup you get here? Guys, that's lofa soup. You know, you don't go to no restaurant here without the first soup will be what? Tobogi. Get here, the first thing you're telling me. What soup you get here? Oh, guys. I told you guys, lofa here in Fonjama. If you cannot eat tobogi, don't come here. But if you want to enjoy tobogi, tell me. Look. Guys, look. What? Look. Hey, my man Kezoba. My man Kezo, you are invited. Today we're having lunch. I'm having lunch with Ellen. But since I've been in Vonjema, since I came from Rovio, for me to see this place like today, the hiding place. Yeah, this hiding place. So I'm like telling you guys that probably if you don't know this place and this is your first time watching my YouTube channel, guys, and you want to eat a Vonjema, bother no more. You want to eat nice tobogi, bother no more. Once you're in Vonjema, except when you're in Zozo, you can banga, but just money. Look at the particles. There you go. Hey man, hey go. You must for me. Oh Lord. Tobogi, guys. Just taste this in tobogi. Let's go inside them. Let's go inside. Go spoil me for it. Yeah, like go spoil me for it. Come here, over pineapple. 70 MC. Bring it here.
Mama, come for food, you can eat. Check out before you can start.
$70. $50 can get it. This is red. Wait, the black pineapple here. No, you know what I love this pineapple for? This is very organic. No chemical, no fertilizer. To say they grow faster, no. The one here, they get plenty right there, get grow by it's era. You know you can do that to brush on era. So man, let me give you $50, man. Please. Yeah. Let me Ellen go and then spoil ourselves that today. Ellen today we spoil ourselves. You get please give it to you get change. Please give that to the boss lady. Let's change for us. $50. No, it's just 70, but help me. And let me be very honest. Yeah. That is some bona no. Oma. Yeah. Thank you, my people. My people right now. Some people they know Vonjema here, and some people they not know Vonjema. You understand? So now in this case, I'm telling them that if they are first time to come to Vonjema, anytime, maybe this, maybe next year, they want to eat real food. Look for this food. I say the mokan right here. So, how do you call it more? Okay. But Alma, what you need? Oma Seba. Okay. But you already know how to call it tobogi here because all the things here, one thing going to tobogi pa. Oma somebody will get sick. No,
I can't get sick.
Because I'll be eating it. Yeah. Thank you, yeah. All right, thank you, Alma.
All right.
Let me eat now, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Hey, guys, you see that? You see this? You see this? $70, guys. $70 right here. Yeah. Vonjema, I don't know. You know. Comment ça? How for your food? Okay, give her 300, yeah? Ellie, what is it? Hey, Ellie, tu viens pas, hein? Hein? Oh, see there, right? But the heat.
No problem, we want to.
But okay. We should sit down right here, right? Alright, guys, so it's time to eat. It's time to eat. You want to sit down to give more? No, you can sit down on power.
But it's a vision, right?
Yeah. Guys, you know, I see why this place, you know, many times when I'm passing here, I can see the place pack. Not knowing that something special can be here. Come on, area. So, come on, how long you been in this place here? Huh? Sometimes some my friends can come, maybe they want to come and eat here, you know. But anyway, come on, I use the camera, so. Alright guys, so if you are just new to my YouTube channel guys, don't forget kindly consider subscribing. You know, shout out to you all. Sister Sando, big shout out to you. You know, that's it. So, everything just goes here. Wow. This is a restaurant. Oh yeah, Tobogi guys.